In this video, you will witness the powerful machining capabilities demonstrated by the ANTISHICNC company TCK50A CNC lathe. The processed steel bar is precisely fed into the lathe, which quickly starts up. With its advanced CNC system and high-precision components, it efficiently processes the bar stock. Once the machining is completed, the parts catcher swiftly grabs the workpiece and rapidly transfers it to the conveyor belt. The conveyor belt runs smoothly, enabling automatic unloading. The entire process is seamless continuously, fully showcasing the smoothness and high efficiency of automated production. Shanghai Ants Machine Equipment Company focus on the field of CNC machine lathes, turning mill center, and all types of CNC machining equipments. Welcome to contact us.